Good evening, all of. My name is Pooja Subhash Patel. Today's date is 13 January 2022. Today's topic name is recursion. So, firstly, we discuss about what is recursion. In Java programming language, the recursion is process or mechanism where the method call itself continuous is called as recursion. The method that call itself continuously is known as recursion method. Then using the recursion we can solve the problem easily, such problems are in order graph, pre-order graph, etc. In simple word, we can say that recursion is we can solve the problem by itself. Smaller version sorry and we can solve the problem. That means this idea is widely used in programming to solve the complex problem by breaking them into simpler ones. Then we discuss about syntax of return method. First, return type, method name, open close bracket, then curly bracket open. Then we write the code to be executed, your programming, then method name, open close bracket, then semicolon, and curly bracket complete. That's all about recursion syntax. Then we discuss about advantages of recursion. In Java programming, various types of advantages are included in recursion, such as first one is a recursion is a the recursion code is easier to write. Then second one is a it is reduce increasing calling function. It is reduce length of code. Then fourth one is a we can solve the recursion problems very easy as compared to other programs. That's all about recursion advantages. Then we discuss about disadvantages of recursion. In Java programming, recursion is slower than non-recursive. Then second one is a recursion is smallest hard to analyze. Then third one is a compiler run out of memory if recursion cannot call properly. That's all about recursion disadvantages. Then we discuss about types of recursion. In Java programming, there are manually divided into two types of recursion are depending on function calling function. So first one is a direct recursion and second one is a indirect recursion. Then we explain one by one. First one is a direct recursion. In direct recursion, the function is called direct recursion function when the function directly calls the same function. Uh, then uh, uh, then types of direct recursion. Direct recursion are divided into four types. First one is a tail recursion, second one is a head recursion, third one is a tree recursion, and last one is a nested recursion. Then we discuss about second type of recursion, uh, is a indirect recursion. Indirect recursion, there may be more than function. It includes more functions, and those functions can call another function in circular manner. That's all about today's topic, recursion. Thank you.